LG Gram 16. So this model, that is 16Z90P, is a 16-inch laptop launched by LG. So this Windows 10 laptop comes with many interesting features, and it is the 11th generation Intel Core i7. And if you look at the display, it comes 2500 into 1600 IPS LCD screen. So the keyboard design is also improved here with expanded keycaps. So very fast and powerful performance with this Intel Iris SG graphics. Slim and lightweight design, up to 22 hours of all-day battery life. 8GB and 16GB RAM. Thunderbolt 4. For more videos like this, subscribe and stay with Engineers Well Online. Thank you.